Namaskar dosto, welcome to my channel. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for getting the regular notifications. This is the pre-market report video for 28 November 2025, that is for Friday. In this video, we are going to cover FnO analysis, post-market top gainers, losses, technical view and outlook, and at the end, we'll also look at the pre-market review and the levels for tomorrow. So, needless to say, we are going to cover everything, including the global and local cues. Friends, let us start from our market overview. What happened in our market during the last trading day? That is for the Sensex expiry on 27 November. If you look at Nifty made a fresh ATH, and Sensex, Bank Nifty, everything. It also made fresh ATH. Sensex first time it crossed 86,000, and Nifty Bank also crossed ATH, and even Midcap Nifty also touched on a new ATH. Let us look at the charts and try to understand what would be our levels for Friday. So friends, this is the Nifty charts. I'm using a 5-minute time frame. I put all the moving averages as well. As you can see, today Nifty made an ATH of 26310, and this was expected because if anyone has seen my pre-market review for today. So I've clearly mentioned that Nifty will make an ATH. From there it will go 30 points up, and from there it will give a correction. If you look exactly, that happened. So it made an ATH plus 30 points, exactly 310. From there, a very good dip. Also, I mentioned that okay, always look for 20 MA. If 20 MA is broken, then consider short. So 20 MA was broken initially, then an up move came. Once again, 20 MA is broken, and very good down move. So people, I know that many people in my group they've captured the up move as well as the down move. At the end, there was a pullback also happened, and finally Nifty was able to close above 26,200. This is the second consecutive day. I would say this is a good closing only. So market is still not bearish. Okay. So what are the levels for tomorrow? Mark the lowest point. Okay, 26,140. If Nifty is going below 26,140, then only consider shorts. For longs, so you can consider longs above 26,230, and you will get target up to 26,300. Also keep the moving averages. Look for 20 MA. If it is going breaking below 2050 MA, short it. If you look at Sensex expiry move. So first time Sensex also made an ATH of 86,055. I also mentioned in my video, last video, that okay, Sensex is ready for a retracement after making ATH. It happened exactly in that way. During the level summary also I mentioned about the retracement of Sensex. So at the end there was a pullback happened because of the banking and the IT sector. But what are the levels for tomorrow? Mark the lower level. So 85,500. Okay, so if you wanted to positionally short Sensex, then wait for 85,500. If you wanted to go for a scalping short, 85,700 we can consider. And for up move, 85,800 only. Okay, so it can go up to 86,000 once again. And if you look at Bank Nifty once again, this index also made an ATH of 59,866. So from there, it also given a mild correction. I wouldn't say this is a big correction, a mild correction. Finally, a pullback also happened here as well. So levels for tomorrow. So mark this level 59,500. So if you wanted to position short, look for 59,500. And for longs, you can consider even 59,750. You can consider 750 or 800. You can get up to even, it's possible that Bank Nifty can go up to 60,000. Midcap select, this is given a very good move at the end. Initially it was laggard and it is given some dip, and all. At the end there was a heavy pullback happen. So levels for tomorrow for shorting, I mean positionally, if you want to short it below 14,000 only. But for scalping short, you can consider below 14, yeah, 1450 you can consider. And for up moves long, you consider above 14,100 only. India VIX, you look here, so lot of uncertainty, but then India VIX is going down. It is because to save the long positions of the big players. Tomorrow, in my view, India VIX should give an up move because still trade deal uncertainty and rate cut and other things are there. So market has to factor that and watch India VIX closely tomorrow. Let us go back to our presentation. Now, the main concern, USD INR, it is weakening further. Today, it lost almost 25 paisa, and this is not at all good for our market. Okay, so and crude, it is given little up move, and gold and silver, as I mentioned, okay, better avoid it. See, there is a direct connection between gold and silver here because our rupee is going weak, and what will happen is that even if gold is going down, but the C premiums are going up. Why? Because our rupee is going very weak. So till the time rupee is not gaining strength, I don't have any confidence in bank nifty or metal sector rally. Okay. Let us also look at some important events and data. And tomorrow our GDP data is due. This will come after market hours only. So and the impact you can see only on Monday. And we are also going to see the industrial production out data also. So if these data are coming good, then only we can see the continuation of rally. Otherwise, there will be a problem. Forex reserve anyway, it doesn't have any impact on our market. Today, US market is holiday. Tomorrow it is a half day for US market. So no clue for today. So possibly it's purely based on FnO data. Let's start from index feature. If you look at index features, यहाँ ज़्यादा कारोबार नहीं दिख रहे हैं. FA ने 3000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ऐड किया और प्रोस ने 3600 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सेल किया. रिटेल और DII का negligible numbers है. So I would say this data is mixed to bullish because FA has reduced their short positions. Index call, retailers purchase around 14,000 contracts, but they're still holding 1.84 lakhs of index call short. And pros, they have added 15,000 contracts only on the short side, but still they are carrying 1.59 lakhs of index call long. So I would say this data is mixed to bullish looking at the net positions. Index put, यहाँ गड़बड़ कर दिया retailer ने naked selling कर दिया 1.07 lakhs. So and their total reached to 2.75 lakhs. This data is clearly ultra bearish data because all the other market participants, they are carrying index put longs. So here pros, they've converted from put shorts to put longs. If you look here in the stock future, here also bad news. FA, they sold 33,000 contracts. Pros also sold 11,000 contracts. And retailers are the major buyers. So this data is mixed to bearish. Stock call, here, if you look here in the stock call side, retailers adding again ultra bullish positions, whereas all the other market participants, they are going short on stock call. And this data is ultra bearish data. And stock put side also, retailers added bullish positions. They have shorted 59,000 contracts on the stock put side. And pros, they have going long 62,000. FA halka sa selling here. So overall, this data is also mixed to bearish. If I wanted to conclude, I will say retailers are going mixed to bullish in index options and ultra bullish in stock options, whereas FA and pros mixed to bearish in index options and mixed to bearish in stock options as well. But the volumes are not that very great. So and today there is no global cues as well. So watch for the levels and the price action. So don't take any bias. So tomorrow there can be both side moves expected. Okay. The cash market, DII purchase 3941 crore and FI sold 1255 crore. बाकी जितना भी सेलिंग है प्रोस और रिटेलर्स का लगता है मुझे. चलिए, टॉप गेनर्स a lot of stocks in the top gainer list. And if you look here, all the banking sector, ICICI, day before yesterday, I told you to go on long on ICICI. ICICI has given very good profit. Don't go long from here. So tomorrow, you look for all the financial sectors. If it is going up in the first first half, then you can make short positions in the financial sector. And again, on the steel sector, I've given you guys okay to go short on metal sector, and those who have shorted in the first half, they have got very good profit. Tomorrow also, I am giving in the first half. If any of these stocks, metal stocks are going up, you can consider shorts in those. So and IT sector better avoid it. Okay, so I wouldn't give any recommendation for IT. Top losses and a lot of stocks are here. Look at the volumes, heavy volumes. Okay, so wherever you are seeing more heavy volumes, you can consider short in those sectors whenever there is a bounce. कोई भी उछाल जो heavy जैसे eternal वगैरह में और मान लो इसमें कोई बाउंस आते हैं तो आप सेलिंग के नजरिए में इसको कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. अपोलो हॉस्पिटल मान लो इसमें कोई भी उछाल आते हैं आप इसको सेलिंग के नजरिए में कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. चलिए, तो टेक्निकल व्यू एंड आउटलुक फॉर फ्राइडे. The Nifty short only below 26,200 or 20 MA, and you will get target up to 2670. Major support 26,000. जब तक ये होल्ड है इसमें बुलिश मोमेंटम कंटिन्यू रहेगा. लॉन्ग के लिए 26,230 के ऊपर आप लॉन्ग खोज सकते हैं. फर्स्ट टारगेट आपको 26,300. इफ इट्स दैट इज क्रॉस 26,350 तक टारगेट मिल सकते हैं. ये मेजर रेजिस्टेंस 26,350 है. So the bullish momentum can continue shorts below 20 MA only. So PCR इसका अच्छा दिख रहा है. बैंक निफ्टी जो if you wanted to short 59,700 के नीचे आप शॉर्ट करना, आपको टारगेट 59,400 तक मिल सकते हैं. जब तक 59,450 होल्ड है इसमें भी बाउंसेस आते रहेगा. लॉन्ग के लिए 59,800 के ऊपर ही आप लॉन्ग खोजना. फर्स्ट टारगेट 59,950 फॉलोड बाय 60,050. तो 60,000 भी पॉसिबल है. तो नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इन दिस मार्केट. बैंक निफ्टी विल बी बेयरिश अबाउट 20 MA, एंड जब तक ये 59,700 ऊपर है इसको बुलिश नजरिए से देखना. इसका भी पीसीआर अभी अच्छा है. सेंसेक्स में 85,700 के नीचे ही शॉर्ट खोजना. आपको 85,300 तक, इवन 85,000 तक भी मिल सकते हैं. जब तक 85,400 के ऊपर है इसमें भी बाउंसेस आते रहेगा. लॉन्ग के लिए आई वुड से 85,800 के ऊपर ही लॉन्ग खोजना. 86,000 फर्स्ट टारगेट फॉलोड बाय 86,100. बट आई वुड से टू अवॉइड लॉन्ग्स इन सेंसेक्स टुमारो. तो जब तक 85,500 के ऊपर है इसमें बुलिश नजरिए से ही देखना. पीसीआर अभी इसका भी अच्छा है. मिड कैप में 1460 के नीचे आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. आपको टारगेट 13,950 तक मिल सकते हैं. लॉन्ग के लिए 14,100 के ऊपर ही आप सोचना. तो जीरो मिसिंग है. 150 200 तक आपको मिल सकते हैं. सो मिड कैप में अगर 14,000 के नीचे चलना शुरू कर दे इसमें बेयरिश व्यू लाना है. पीसीआर अभी भी इसका अच्छा है. तो इंडिसेस में मैं बोलूँगा अभी भी निफ्टी का स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लोजिंग है, बिकॉज दिस इज द सेकंड कंसेक्यूटिव डे निफ्टी इज क्लोजिंग अबाउट 26,200. एंड निफ्टी का क्या है, कल भी डाउन साइड मूव कैप रह सकते हैं. एंड अवॉइड शॉर्ट टिल द टाइम मार्केट इज होल्डिंग अबाउट 20 MA. Strategy, go with the market trend. So be ready for your retracement in bank nifty. So yesterday I was talking about the Sensex, but for Friday I'm talking about bank nifty. Watch it. Finally, take a quick view of the global market. Today US market is closed. तो यूएस में कोई संकेत अब हम लोगों को मिलने वाला नहीं है. फिर भी फ्यूचर्स अभी चल रहे हैं. तो गिफ्ट निफ्टी इज शोइंग 17 points gap up, and in my view a mild gap up can happen because of the last minute pullback. So, and even European market is also going okay. So just watch for the levels. That's all in this video, guys. I have a Telegram channel as well, and if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is given in the description. You can join. Every day our profit percentage is better than loss percentage. Thank you.